You know what's wild? Most sales teams are still stuck chasing leads manually, wasting hours researching, guessing who's ready to buy, and writing the same outreach over and over again. And if you're thinking, yeah, that's my team, you're not alone. But it doesn't have to be that way. Let's talk about HoneySales, an AI-powered sales agent that helps you generate more B2B meetings without burning out your reps. So, how does it work? Instead of just dumping contacts into your CRM and hoping someone bites, HoneySales monitors buying signals in real time. It figures out who your reps should talk to, when they should reach out, and even what to say. Basically, it's your smartest rep, but automated. The platform organizes your outreach calendar, prioritizes the hottest prospects, and delivers timely nudges to your sales team. So you're not just praying and praying, you're engaging the right person at the right moment. And the best part, it doesn't just tell your reps what to do, it actually helps them do it. With HoneySales, your team stays focused on selling instead of drowning in admin work. It takes care of repetitive tasks like identifying prospects, tracking their activity, and suggesting the right message, real-time alerts, smart recommendations, and clean, organized data. It's like having a revenue-generating co-pilot sitting beside every rep on your team. You also get visibility into performance, so you know who's crushing it, who needs help, and where to improve without micromanaging anyone. Companies like eBay, Yelp, and SmartLead already trust HoneySales to drive their pipeline. If you're tired of missing the right timing or chasing the wrong prospects, it's your time to flip the script. Turn your team into a competitive advantage. And if you want to combine signal-based outreach like HoneySales with full-cycle automation, check out Agent Frank by Salesforge. Agent Frank, an AI sales agent, sets up your email infrastructure, finds leads based on your ICP, writes personalized outreach, handles objections, replies to questions till it books a sales call. And together, they make sales super easy. It's scary good. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below. Otherwise, I suggest you take a look at this video about Agent Frank. It was me, Sam. Have a good one and peace.